Hello friends, today we are going to learn what are the code challenges, what is the meaning of code challenges, what are the website out there in the code challenges, what you got from that code challenges. So let's myself Rakesh, I'm from HJCIT second sem engineering student. So let's go to the deep. So first basically we want to understand what is in a code challenges. So code challenge is the problems or a task given to analyze, test or improve program skills where you write in a code to a specific problem within a certain rules or times. Okay, they give a simple problem or a task within a program. You want to write in a code for that to solve that specific problem within that certain rules and time. It gives some improving your programming skills. So I give an example for that. So simple example. Check whether the number is an even or odd. This is a problem. And also given a input and output also. What you want given a input, the output has been same, not in a single word also different. So it has been the same one. So check whether a number is an even or odd. So input is given a 5, output want to become as an odd. So let's write in a code for it. So you know how the code right, you will be understand this code. This is mainly a Python code. So n is equals to int input. So we are taking a from input from a user as a number. So specifying int, and next input is a function to read the inputs from the user. So n is equals to int input. This is the first line. Next, go to the operation or run a logic. What want to do next? So if n percentage 2, then means s n modulus 2 is equals to 0. Print even. If else condition. This one in the if else logic. If condition is an n modulus 2. So modulus operation gives a reminder. It gives a reminder. So n modulus 2. So you know that all even numbers are divisible by 2. So if an even number given by the user, so n modulus 2 is equal to, so it going to print even. Else if the condition is false, it going to print odd. Let's take an example. Input as an 5. So n is equals to int input 5. So n gives an 5. So n stores 5. So if n means is an 5 modulus 2. What is a 5 modulus 2 as a reminder as a 1. So 1 is equals to 2. Then comparing 1 is equals to 2. So it is in a false. So it goes to a else part. So then print odd. It print odd. This is in a simple program, not a medium program. This is in a simple example. I'm going to give in code what can they give. This is a simple program. So this is a simple program. That's all. So given in code challenges, they given some paragraph on what want to do, what is an example, and they given an input and output. You want to write in a code, just in a code for that. So next, go to the what are the top 9 website in code challenging. So here are the top 9 website for the code challenging. So Code War, HackerRank, Top Coder, Coderbytes, Coding Game, Ibabit, Codeforce, Reply Challenges, Sponge. These are the top 9 code challenges websites. So let's detail go to the each other. So first one is a HackerRank. HackerRank, it gives a learning code prepare for an interview and solve company level questions, like an interview questions. That is an and the it learns the coding. It gives a learning if in a specific topic you want an for a for loop or an if else if condition. It gives a specific test question, specific topic question to you. That was in a HackerRank. I also is making in a consistently. I was working in a HackerRank. Since I was making in a question coding in HackerRank. And the second one is Top Coder. This is like in a competition, like a compete between others also. Like thousands of members are attending for this, and they give in a questions set of questions, ABCD, like in a set of questions. They give you to and a real and also in that a real world challenges also given from that. So next third one was in a code war. Code wars. The practicing code in a small problems within a thing means small problems. What I showed in a previous example like that. Others also like in a prime or not prime, palindrome or not palindrome. Like that problems are given in a code force, not in a code war. So next one is in a Coderbyte. This Coderbyte for the gives you a beginner to the advanced level problems with an interview focused level questions. Say interview focused questions they in the website going to give. So next fifth one, coding games. Who are interested in games? Like this is also a gaming code. Like missing letters, not missing lines, syntax error debugging, like that. Coding games are given. So next one, Idabit is a simple and funny challenging coding. This is very good for beginners and say who are not anything about in a coding. This is easy for them. Next one is a very popular one, Codeforce. Second one, Codeforce. It gives in a regular context and strong competitive programming community. It have a strong, very strong community in a code challenges. I also using this Codeforce. So reply challenges. Eighth one, reply challenges. Team-based coding. It's not in a single one participating this one. And then individually no one can participate. Team-based coding challenges and a real and problems are to the competitors. Others with others you are competing with others in reply challenges. Next one is Sponge. This is in a large collection of problems. Very large. Lakhs of problems are there in that Sponge code collection, and like in a Codeforce it has also in a context. So in this 9 website I'm doing consistently into two websites. First one is in a HackerRank and second one is in a Codeforce. What this code challenges give for you, what you learn from this code challenges, you are upscaling your coding techniques, coding skill. Consistently when you are working consistently in this websites by code challenges, you can upgrade by the coding in advanced level, beginner to the advanced level, and also it is very helpful for interviewers who are seeing for interviewers. This is very useful for this. So this is from my side today, guys. Thank you for all. the next videos we are going to in a code course 30 days, each day one question comes for you. If you interested in this, subscribe for my channel. Thank you.